What the
It's
heck?
busy. It's a rainy day, and we're on a website on like what to do on a rainy day, and it says that you could call somebody you care about and have a discussion, but we're gonna just call like a random person. But so far, all 3 numbers we tried were out of, like, disconnected. I don't know.
To place a call in this area, you must dial the area code and the...
What I did?
Let me pick a number. Okay, hold this. Dial. Star 67 215 8463. Okay.
This service is no longer available.
Call it on star 67.
Okay.
That was the 4th number that didn't go through.
433 5215.
There we go.
AT501. We're sorry, you have reached a number that has been disconnected.
I
Have you
really,
noticed all 5 have like different like disconnected?
I really think that like we're just not supposed to be calling somebody right now. 215-674-3268.
Oh my god.
Come on, pick up the phone.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Way to go, Anna. Hang on.
I can't do that. They're gonna call back. Oh my god.
And just be like, oh, sorry, wrong number.
So that was it. Complete.
That was a mission complete, huh?
I'm not that good at
Let's
this.
call the radio station and be like, hi, it's a rainy day. Can you interview us? What is it? 215. Do you have them in your address book?
Nah.
You don't? Fine, I'll call. Actually, that'll be another video. Bye! This little, like, okay, just so you guys know, the whole thing where it says, like, call a random person on a rainy day, it doesn't really work. So don't do it.